Hi you guys, so what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see in the title of today's video, I thought I would share another little pack with me, or just like sharing what I packed for my upcoming little weekend trip I have planned. But by the time you're seeing this, I've done went and came back. So I want to show you guys what all I have packed in my two little bags here. This one is for like my brushes, and then I went ahead and put my mascaras and brow products in here because they're like longer products. And then in this main bag I have all the other products that I'm taking with me on my little weekend trip. So yeah, if you're excited for this type video and interested in this content, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get going. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the order of the way you would apply the products. And for primer, I am taking the One Size Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. I've been enjoying using this with the hot summer days we've been having, and it really helps my makeup stay on. So I'm taking that for primer. For foundation, I'm taking just one foundation. This is the She Glam Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. I've been really enjoying this. Again, hot summer days, I need something that's going to last. And this one's been lasting pretty good on me, and it's a good shade match for me currently, so I am taking this with me. And then for concealer, I'm taking the Flower Beauty Get Real Serum Concealer. This has been a favorite of mine since I picked it up, and I've been using on it for a really long time. This is currently in my Shop My Stash, and you can like see a little bit of a window there in the packaging, and I feel like it's getting pretty light, so I feel like I'm going to use this up pretty quick. So I'm only taking one concealer. This has been my favorite. I've been using it like every day, so taking this concealer. And then I'm taking a powder foundation just because I've really been enjoying this. This is a Makeup Forever Ishy Skin Matte Velvet Powder Foundation. That's what mine looks like. I have mine in the shade 1YOS. I don't really know if that's a shade or not, but I'm taking one powder foundation just because I like to have options. And then for a regular powder, I'm taking the Revolution powder here. I have actually hit pan in this product. This is just a translucent powder. I really have been enjoying this. You have like a pressed powder up here, and then you have a loose powder underneath. This is the powder I'm taking. Okay, next up for blush, I have a few options. I'm taking two creams and one powder. So the two creams I'm taking, this one is in my Shop My Stash. This is the e.l.f. blush, and I think this is Turks and Caicos, yeah. The e.l.f. blush and Turks and Caicos I'm taking. And then this Fenty, the new Fenty cream bronzer. It's like pH adjusting or whatever. So I'm taking this one. Here's what it looks like. It is really, really pretty on the skin, and I've been enjoying this one a lot. So I'm taking those two creams, and then I'm taking this powder blush. This is the Too Faced Cloud Crush, or sorry, yeah, Cloud Crush Blurring Blush in Candy Clouds. This I have been using like crazy. I almost have the words Too Faced like pretty much like used up. So like I've been using this a ton. I want to layer this with this Fenty, this is the Wada Brat highlighter. So I feel like these two would go really good together. I feel like this pink of the Fenty one and then this Too Faced one, I feel like these would just be a really good combo. So I'm taking this powder blush. This is kind of like, I almost use this as like a blush topper, not so much a highlighter. So taking this one. And then I'm taking this Tarte Sea Breezy little like face palette combo thing. I don't know what exactly you call this, but this is the Sea Breezy cream palette. You get two blushes and then one bronzer. This is the Seychelles bronzer, and I have this in a like it's the single pan of it, and I have hit pan on it because I really like it. So I'm taking this one. I really enjoy this as well. And then for bronzer options, I'm just taking one. This is the Jaclyn Hill pressed bronzer in the shade Vitamin D. I really like this bronzer, and it smells like coffee, so that's a bonus. Taking this one. And then highlighter, I'm just taking one highlighter option. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay highlighter in the shade Stunner. Now I would show you it, but this is in my project pan, and I don't want to show you the progress on this highlighter in case you keep up with my project pan series. So this is the highlighter I am taking. And then I'm taking this little eyeshadow topper. This is the About Face Practical Eye Paint. This is just a really good eyeshadow primer or topper. It's like really glittery. The packaging is like really thin, so it's like easy to take traveling. This one is really pretty. I don't know why, but this is the brush I use to apply my cream products. I don't know why I put it in this bag. I should have put it in the other bag. Just gonna put that over there. And then real quick for eyeshadow options. So I'm taking the Nemo palette. I recently did a whole little tutorial on this collection, and I'm taking this one. And then this is the Watermelon I Heart Revolution palette. I have this one in my deck of panning project, so I'm going to take this one as well because I want to get a little bit more use out of it. So these are the two eyeshadow palettes I'm taking. I really can't fit them in the bag, so I'm just leaving them out. And then for mascara, I'm taking two mascaras. I'm taking the LA Girl Lift Off mascara, and then the, I think this is L'Oreal, yeah, the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift. I've kind of been enjoying layering these two. This one's more lengthening, this one's more volumizing. I kind of use two mascaras to get the right effect that I like. So I'm taking these two for mascaras. And then for brows, this is the Relove brand, the Brow Blade or Blade Brow. I love this brow pencil. And then the NYX Thick It Stick It brow product. I love this. I have went through a few of these. And then I'm almost out of this. This is the Too Faced Fluff and Hold. So I'm taking these for brows. And then I'll just kind of quickly like show you my brushes. That's what I'm taking. I didn't really go into detail about brushes on this channel, so this is the brushes. Okay guys, so I know this isn't a very long video, but I know you all enjoyed the last little pack with me that I did a couple months ago, so I thought I would just do it again for this next trip I'm about to take. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a subscribe before you leave if you enjoy makeup content. And with that, bye y'all. Thanks for watching. And oh, and don't forget you're absolutely stunning. Bye guys.